Hello, people of the internet. Don't mind my outfit. I didn't dress up for you. I am going to a wedding today, so I'm trying to get some filming in because today is Saturday and Monday is the Next Fest, I think. June 15th. Yeah, okay. I just kind of assumed it started on Monday, but it does, so good. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to get this video out, so that you can all get an update on what is happening with my fishing game, also known as Just Keep Fishing. So you can see the Steam page is, oh, this is gross. The Steam page for Just Keep Fishing is now live, and not the Steam page, okay, hold on, give me a second. The demo, nope. The Steam demo for Just Keep Fishing is now live, so you can go to Steam, download the demo, go play it, and give me your feedback. I would really appreciate it. And if you leave a review, you get bonus Thomas points, extra hearts and love to you. So this is my game, Just Keep Fishing, that I'm making in collaboration with Aramis and Thornity, and they've been doing a lot of the design work. I've been doing a lot of the implementation and stuff, and things are getting pretty good. The game's looking good. The Steam demo is now live. You can go check it out. It's a fishing incremental game where you start off just catching one fish at a time, you make some money, and then you're able to catch a lot of fish, and then you're able to catch a lot of fish. The feeling that you can kind of see with this gold fountaining up, it's like a very Scrooge McDuck, like I'm going to go swim in my money sort of feeling, which is a lot of fun, and you can get multiple lines out in the water, catch all these different types of fish, but most importantly, you can kick penguins. And actually, I think it happens in the trailer. Let's see if we can find it. Pick up the magnet. Oh, yep, there he goes. Okay, fine, I'll pull up the game, and then we can actually look at what penguin kicking looks like real quick. So we have an island here where you can fish. You can go catch some fish. Boop. Bring it over to your barrel. Get some coins, right? Great, 1 coin. But then you also have these cute little guys that are waddling around. And yes, you can interact with them. And if you hit E, there they go. They get booted off into the ocean and they swim back, and you can do it all over again. And this is an interaction that literally I might spend more time kicking penguins than I do fishing now, because it's just so fun. There's some upgrades in here that increase your player speed and some other stuff that just, it makes penguin kicking so enjoyable. Yeah, I might actually just rename the game to Just Keep Kicking Penguins. We'll see. But this had to happen, because you know why? Let me see if I can recreate it. Sometimes the penguins will get stuck on the edge of the land, and they will just be looking out over the ocean. Dang, it's not happening right now, but one of the best... Oh, yes, right here. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Sometimes they waddle around, and then they get stuck on a corner like this, and they are just looking out over the ocean. And I saw that, and it's like when you have a friend that is walking along the edge of a pool and you just have such a fierce pull to shove them in the water. But that's the exact kind of feeling that I have when I see these penguins that just go up right to the edge. And it's just like, you just want to, you know what I mean? And it's so satisfying. I have some more sound effects that I need to put in for this that I think will make it really fun too. But anyway, that is a small taste of what you will find in the Steam demo. It's a lot of fun. Go check it out. I cheated to get to this island, so there's like no fish in the water right now because there's not much going on with the skill tree. And there's a turtle. You can go figure out what happens if you try and catch the turtle. Anyway, you can catch fish, you can make money, you can swim in coins, and you can kick penguins. And what more do you really need in a game? I don't know. So, the Steam demo's out. You can go play it. I've been making it in collaboration with Aramis and Thornity, which has been so fun to work with them. Both of those guys are very just... well, I won't compliment them too much because they'll probably watch this. It's actually been a real bummer. I've hated the whole experience. But definitely leave a review on Just Keep Fishing. I think at the time I'm recording this, there's like 7 reviews on the demo. Yep, 7 reviews, all positive. So that's good. So Next Fest starts Monday. I would love it if you guys... I'm going to put this video out in conjunction with the start of the Next Fest, so go play the demo, leave a review, wishlist it, do all of the things that help with the algorithm, because I want my daughter to be able to go to college. So... And if you're thinking, Thomas, I don't want to play your demo because I already played your demo that was on itch. That was a different demo. Let me show you. This was the old demo, and it has a lot of similarities to what's on Steam, but it has less content. The skill tree is vastly different. The kinds of upgrades and how the whole game is structured is different. There's a mini game in the Steam demo now. So anyway, if you played the itch demo, go play it on Steam. What's cool is that almost 5,000 people played the itch demo that I posted like a month ago. You can see that it really flatlined out since then. But it was great feedback. It was a good kind of prototype, get feedback from people that want to interact with the game early on. But now we have a more polished version on Steam with a lot more fun stuff to do. So go play it. The feedback so far has been really good. The wish lists have actually been pretty good too. Since we launched the demo 2 or 3 days ago, you can see that it started out, like 100, 333 yesterday. Today we're at 142 so far. So yeah, we're definitely getting some traction with wish lists. We're at 1,200 total. So I'll keep you guys updated with the stats for that and see. It'll be fun to compare how this goes with where we're at when Next Fest ends. And I'll give you guys all the peek behind the scenes. Oh, also the average playtime. So this just updated since 300 people have played the demo. So you can see like average playtime, median playtime, and how long, almost 80% of people play the demo for at least 10 minutes. Over half of the people that have played play for at least 30 minutes, which I thought was really good. So yeah, take that for what it's worth. I'm gathering data, and I don't think I can stress this enough. The feedback that I receive from this demo on Steam is going to drastically determine what the full game looks like. So if you have some good ideas or you see something here that you're like, this is garbage, like let me know, join my Discord, send me a message, do something, leave a comment on this video, let me know what you think would be a good idea to include in the game, because really there's no rules. And if I want to put in kicking penguins, I can do that. So if you want to help me and give me some design tips, I am all for it. That's it from me. I am just trying to record this really quickly before I go watch some people be wedded in holy matrimony. And I wanted to be able to get a video out on Monday so that people know that the game is in the Next Fest. So that's basically it. More comprehensive devlog will be coming soon, where I go into all the different things that has happened since my previous devlog. And that's all I got for you. Go fish.